Today we will show you how we repair a black screen appearing on AVW cluster display. We can see that the lights here are already on, but the screen doesn't show anything. Let's activate this display. We can see that both sides of the instrument panel are already working, but the middle screen does not work. This is a sign that the LCD screen of the instrument panel is broken. We can replace it with a brand new LCD screen. Then the issue can be solved. Now let's remove the top cover. And remove the display. And we need to pay attention to the ribbon cable in back of the display. Then let's install the new LED screen. And buckle up the ribbon cable. Okay. Then let's test it. We give it power. Okay. The screen is already lit up. Let's install it and try powering it back on again. Repair complete.